Now, he cross-examined. Remember, he didn't have a lawyer. So he's now doing a cross-examination, which is something that requires a lot of skill, but he asks a very important question and got out a very important point on the record. He questioned them, and they did not dispute that although they claimed he had injuries, including the cut on his face, when he came to the police station, there was no record of any injuries in the police detention record. So first the police officers gave their evidence, then he cross-examined them, and he got a good point on the record, and then Vinson, gave evidence. It says the appellant gave evidence that the police beat him with a cutlass and a baseball bat and had also suffocated him with a bag of water. It was as a result of this violence that he gave his confession, telling them what they required him to say. That was his evidence to the court.